Good morning dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and healthy. Welcome in EVS class. Students, today we are going to learn about farm animals. As you can see in the picture, few animals who lives in a farm. So let's start. Buffalo, sheep, donkey, hen, goat, rabbit, horse, cat, camel, dog and pig. These animals are farm animals. They live in a farm and they are also useful for us. We are getting so many things from the animals. So, learn the name of farm animals. Now, in your EVS book, we will start with page number 60. Here you can see farm animals, horse, goat, cow, hen, chicks and sheep. So, what you have to do, you have to first take the big canvas and circle the chicks. Now, in page number 61, you can see buffalo. So you have to color buffalo with the black color and circle the things which is made of with the milk, but which you like. Like if you like porridge, then circle porridge. If you like butter, then circle butter. If you like ice cream, then circle ice cream. If you like milkshake, then circle milkshake. If you like cottage cheese, if you like cheese and sweets, whatever you like, circle it. Now page number 62. Here you can see farm animal, hen and cock. So, and here you can see chick. So what you have to do, you have to the hen and cock wants to reach to the chick. So you have to make a path for this. So draw it. Page number 62. Now come to the page number 63. Here you can see few animals. They are farm animals and they live in special houses. So now let's learn dog. Dog lives in a kennel. So here you can see dog. Dog lives in a kennel, matched with a kennel. Here you can see fish. Fish live in a water, pond or aquarium. If you keep them at home, then you must have a aquarium. So fish with aquarium, match it. Parrot with a stand or parrot, we can keep them in a cage. So match it. And cat live in a basket. So do it dear student. Page number 63 in your EVS book. Now come to the copy work. Now dear students, write classwork and date and then write few farm animals name. Cow, horse, goat, sheep, hen and buffalo. Again repeat with me. Cow, horse, goat, sheep, hen and buffalo. These are farm animals. So learn these animals' name. Now, here you can see, write 4 fruits name. We have learned earlier. So write 4 fruits name. 1, 2, 3, 4 like apple, banana, mango, guava. Fruits name like this. A-double-P-L-E apple, M-A-N-G-O mango, and one more vegetable is pumpkin. Now write 4 colors name. Red, yellow, green, blue. Now here you have to write 4 body parts. So write eyes, ears, nose and hand. So like this, complete this work. This is a revision work. So students, learn all farm animals name. Thank you.